Another video on the 92 RS. Today's video is going to be about a high beam problem. So, let's talk about this car. High beams never worked on this. Now, what I'm about to show you might save you like 60 bucks to buy a new headlight switch, and a dimmer switch, a multifunction switch, whatever you guys want to call it. Because there's a little rod down there you're able to adjust on these cars, which I never knew about. I had to do some research about it. So I've seen one video on YouTube. It got straight to the point, but it wasn't the greatest. Not knocking the guy. I'm glad he took the time out of his day to show people how to do it. But we're gonna go at it on this one and just hopefully help you guys do it a little better. Other than that, what you're gonna need for the job is an 8mm wrench, a 1/4 inch with an extension, an 8mm deep socket. He said crow's foot. I don't think you're gonna need a crow's foot. You might. It might vary depending on the car. Who knows? Then you're gonna need your torque bits to drop that little panel right under the dash. I think it's like a T. I can't remember exactly what T it is. But I'm gonna bring you guys back around right when we start doing all this. Alright, so you guys see this white box right here? This is what I'm talking about. Your little rod from here, because it's not doing anything. Well, that is your high beam switch right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a bolt right there. And there's one on the back side, which is going to be very, very annoying to get to. It shouldn't be that hard though. It will make you mad. But other than that, it's a very straightforward job because this is all I got for headlights right now. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for headlights. That's why I don't like driving this car at night, because I literally can't see anything. But other than that, you loosen those up, it should be just fine, and you adjust it forward. All right, so I did have to end up dropping the column on this thing. Wasn't hoping to, because I had to get the support off. And what that is, it's an odd size. I got a 14mm to get the column nuts off and the support nuts off. And what I used to adjust those little nuts is one of these wrenches. And I couldn't find my other 8mm, so it was a 5/16 on both. And it was this little red box right there, that bolt right there, and the other one is right there. Other than that, let's see what happens when I actually hit the lights. Okay, let's see. I got them on right now. Those are low beams. Let's see if we got high beams. Will it click? Oh, I heard it click. Let's see what we got. Would you look at that? We got high beams also. So that right there will honestly save you like 50 to 60 bucks on a... Will it click back? Will it click back? Yes, it will. Okay. So that right there will save you 50 to 60 bucks on a new multifunctional switch, turn signal switch, wiper switch, whatever you guys want to call it. That right there is going to make this car driving at night so much better. And in fact, I'm able to see. Oh, hold on. Let's check. The brights did go off. Okay, so I have it adjusted right, which is good. Good news. So I'm going to put it back together and everything. And we might just take some pulls with you guys in the car with me. Oh, yeah, to get the lower dash cover off, the screws are a T30. I forgot to specify that in the beginning of the video. My bad. Let me finish this guys up, and I'll get you guys set up in the car so you guys get an experience of one way or another what this car does when it's driving, which is, this car's freaking sweet to drive. But yeah, I'll put this back together and I'll bring you guys back around. high beam lights. So let me go turn them on for you just to show you guys again they still work. There we go. That's all you needed to do. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video so other third-gen owners know how to fix that problem. And I have a feeling they might have figured it out already. I just never had high beam worked on this car when I bought it. But I'll catch you guys on the next video where we're doing some appearance stuff to this car. I know the hood's hideous. I'm gonna take care of that after I do some striping on this. But and some new wheels. But see you guys again. Hopefully have a new video out by next weekend. Can't do that, don't know, because I might have to work. But I'll see you guys again soon.